Hello Internet, in this video I will do an out-of-box review and installation of this Crafter's Mark 6-panel LED motion sensing garage light. That's the plug-in version. Spoiler alert, I love this garage light. Keep watching to the very end to see how you can win your own. It's that one right there. Keep watching. Okay, I'm on the actual Amazon page for this product, the 6-panel LED motion sensing garage light. A few things as I look at this page. So there are some options here. So the current sale price is $24.99, which is 17% off. You can get a 1-pack or a 2-pack. So currently with the sale price, there's not much difference between, there's not much of a break for the 2-pack, but if it goes up in price, there would be a little slight break for a 2-pack. Also, this is the hanging type. You can see it here as it hangs down. It's plug-in. But there are other options. You can get the screw-in pack, which is right here, and likewise in a 1-pack or 2-pack screw-in type. But I have the plug-in type. Now it shows an on-off switch, and I'm pretty sure that with the plug-in type, this means that it's either on, it's on with motion sensing, or it's off, or it doesn't work it on. It's not like you can turn the motion sensor off. I think with the screw-in type you can. There is another option there, but not with the plug-in hanging type. The next panel here, so 360 degrees as far as the motion detection, and it says auto off if there is no movement for 30 seconds, the last 30 seconds, which is nice. I don't want this light on all the time. If you trigger it, however, if you keep on moving, it should stay on. I like that feature. And here it shows comparison with others. This is a very bright light. I've done a lot of reviews for garage lights and LED lights. This is the largest amount of lumens, so 18,500 lumens, which is a lot of light compared to others on this page, but others lights that I've done a review on as well. It's also 150 watt, which is quite a bit, and also 85% energy saving. So it's very bright, and yet it's very efficient as well. Here it shows the different ways of hanging it, either with the chains that come with it, or directly, from the ceiling. Just plug in and work. So plug and play is not really the best term, but yeah, plug in and work. And here it shows that the panels themselves can be adjusted 120 degrees, so a lot of variety there. Also, it's a very short profile, only 6.8 inches as it hangs from the ceiling, and a little bit over a foot wide. So again, I like it that it's low profile. All right, let's move on to the unboxing. Okay, here is the light. The 6 panels here. And you can see the adjustability of these, and it is 120 degrees from there to there. There's tons of LEDs, so even here where it senses the motion, there are LEDs there. And this is the highest amount of lumens I've seen in a garage light, motion or not. So 18,500, I think. You can see the very low profile. I like that a lot. And it looks to be good quality, just from the design. It's plastic and stuff and metal, but good quality. Here you can see the plug-in, and this is meant to link other lights. I believe from one outlet you can link up to 6 lights. And that basically means that they work together. So motion sensing, one light comes on, they all come on. And you might ask, well, why would you want to do that? And I think the answer is safety. If this is a garage light and motion sensing, I can see open the garage door, or you're leaving to drive away and it's nighttime. Why not have your garage lit up and link these lights together? All right, there's some hardware here. So some screws and some anchors. I think if you're going through drywall or something. Here's a hook, and it looks like you can hang it, pretty close to the ceiling. This is what I'll be doing. So the rafters here, right close to the ceiling. However, it comes with metal cables though, and it means that you can adjust the height from the ceiling. So let me just take this apart here. And I probably won't be installing it this way, but I'll hook it up so you can see what it looks like. And it is adjustable, so you can adjust this to whatever height you want to hang from the ceiling. And I assume that once you have it set, you probably would just clip these off so they're not there. And there are 3 places on the top side that you can clip it in place. Okay, that was easy enough. As you can see, you can adjust the height, whatever height you want it to be, right here. And it looks like if you want to make it longer, you simply push on that clip, and then the whole thing will retract back. All right, I like it. And here's the on-off switch right here on the cord. Let's install it. Okay, that was easy. Okay, so far so good. I'm standing here where my future workbench is going to be, and I'm moving around on purpose because what I don't want to be working at my workbench and the motion sensing light turning on and off constantly as I'm over here. So it's not sensing me, which is perfect. And as I walk closer to the light, I obviously want it to go off. Also, I want it to go off as this door opens and as the garage door opens, or at the very least as the vehicle comes in. That's when I want it to go off. And so let's do an experiment. First of all, I'll just walk up under it. Okay, there it is. That's just the right distance. Now let's try 2 more experiments. All right, there it is. This motion sensing garage light. I love it. Now, if you want a chance to win one of these, there are 2 requirements. First of all, leave a comment below. And secondly, like the video. 10 days after posting this video, I'll do one of my live stream giveaways. We have a random name generator. It'll generate a winner. And that's how we'll do the giveaway. Have a great day.